Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make digital products to sell on Gumroad. First, pinpoint a clear problem your audience faces. Think about what solutions you can offer digitally, like an ebook, template, or course. It's crucial to talk to potential customers to ensure your idea truly resonates and meets a real demand before you invest significant time in creation. This early validation saves effort and increases your chances of success. Once your idea is validated, it's time to create. Choose a format that best suits your content, whether it's a comprehensive ebook, a practical template, or an engaging video course. Focus on delivering exceptional quality and value. Your product should solve a problem or teach a skill effectively. Ensure the design is clean, professional, and easy for your customers to navigate and understand, enhancing their overall experience. With your product ready, head over to Gumroad to set up your shop. Creating an account is straightforward, and you'll build a dedicated product page. Craft a compelling description that clearly outlines the benefits and value your product provides. Think about your target audience and what problems you are solving for them. Finally, set a price that reflects its value while remaining attractive to potential buyers. Now for the exciting part, promoting your product. Share it widely on social media, in relevant online communities, and through your email list. Consider offering an introductory discount or a limited-time bundle to generate initial buzz and sales. Engage with your audience, gather feedback, and continuously look for ways to improve and expand your offerings. Consistent promotion is key to long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.